We'll guide you through how to use the Claude Agent effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Agent website. Once there, you need to log in with your account or create a new one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can see various options. To start a new conversation with Claude, click on the New Chat button. This will open a chat window where you can type in your queries or tasks. Claude is designed to understand natural language, so you can type your questions just like you're talking to a friend. For example, if you want to know the weather, just type, "What's the weather like today?" and Claude will provide you with the latest updates. If you're looking for more complex tasks like scheduling appointments or setting reminders, simply type your request and Claude will guide you through the process. You can also explore the settings to customize Claude's responses to better suit your needs. There's an option to adjust the tone and speed of Claude's replies, making it a more personalized experience. Remember, the more you interact with Claude, the better it gets at understanding your preferences. And if you ever get stuck, there's a help section available that provides additional tips and FAQs to make your experience smoother. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.